Hello friends, welcome to Market Analyzers. Today Nifty fell by 192 points and closed at 19,523, whereas Bank Nifty fell by 287 points and closed at 44,300. India VIX Volatility Index, which rallied by 10%, sums up today's Nifty's volatility. On a monthly expiry, such volatility might have made life difficult for option sellers. Now let's talk about Nifty. Yesterday, markets moved close to 170 points from day's low and showed very good strength, indicating further bullishness. Even today's opening was also at yesterday's closing levels. If you look at charts in hourly time frame, right from opening candle, every candle broke the next candle's low and went downside. Consider this September as two halves. The first half is all about positivity, markets hitting new all-time highs and bull market euphoria. From September 1st to September 15th, market moved 5% upside. Then from September 16th to today's close, markets fell by 3.5%. Within 15 days, the entire environment changed. Yesterday, US crude oil inventories updated, which came way below expectations. It increased crude oil price yesterday to $97 per barrel mark, which is a record high. Today, USA GDP growth rate will be updated around 6 p.m. It is very important data in the context of the markets right now. The market expectations are 2.2% growth. So I was telling above 19,600 I am bullish on markets. Now markets closed below 19,600 in daily time frame with very strong candle and volumes. I am looking markets as negative. Only above 19,820 daily closing I will be looking Nifty again as positive. Until then I will be looking markets as negative. Next important support is at 19,240, which is 300 points away from present level. Resistance at 19,620 and next level of resistance at 19,820. 19,620 was support until now. While moving higher side, it might turn as resistance, so be cautious at 19,620 level. Now let's talk about option chain range. Our range, which we were talking 19,500 to 20,200, was broken today in 3:15 p.m. candle. And again markets came above 19,500, but I am not very confident that market holds 19,500. I was earlier looking 19,600 as support, so I kept 100 points buffer until 19,500. Now with all our logics broken, but luckily it happened on expiry day. From the day we started taking this range, markets never went behind this range until the last day. The new range I am looking is at 19,200 to 19,900. The logics behind this range are 19,200 is an important higher time frame support, and if we can combine October first week and October month end expiry, the writings at 19,200 in option chain is very high compared to all other levels. The reason for 19,900 is actually 19,820 is big resistance. Even if market try to fake and sustain above 19,820, we should not be trapped. It gives us 100 points buffer upside and very good writings at 19,800 in option chain. So this is the new range, 19,200 to 19,900. This is a 700 point range. We have very healthy premiums in both weekly and monthly expiries in this range. Friends, if you like the data I've shared, please subscribe to our channel for such content. Now let's move on to stocks news. First, let us talk about L&T, Larsen & Toubro. They have earlier this month announced share buyback at rupees 3,200. The total buyback was worth 1,000 crores. It was subscribed by 7.2 times. There are reports coming that acceptance ratio in the buyback for retailers is 100%. Share buyback means companies will buy their own shares from investors, which will reduce the total number of outstanding shares, thereby increasing return ratios. In addition to this news, UBS has increased L&T share price target to rupees 3,600 with multiple positive news updates about L&T today. It was Nifty 50 top gainer with 1.5% gains. Now let's talk about telecom subscribers data. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India (TRAI) published subscribers data for July month. JIO has the most subscribed additions of 39 lakhs. In second place, AIRTEL has net additions of 15 lakhs, whereas Vodafone Idea has continued to lose subscribers. Now let's talk about Vedanta. In yesterday's video, we spoke Moody's downgradation of Vedanta corporate bonds, which negatively impacted share price yesterday. Vedanta does multiple business like aluminium, oil and gas, iron, steel. Now their holding company needs funds up to 10,000 crores by next year, August, to meet their debt financing. According to reports, Vedanta is looking the possibility of separately listing some or all of its businesses, which we discussed like metal, mining, oil and gas. After this demerger speculations, the share price stayed stable today. Now let's move on to SEBI. SEBI extends deadline to add nominees for mutual fund holders. The deadline is extended till January 1st, 2024. Earlier it was 30th September. SEBI asked asset management companies to encourage their customers to fulfill their nominees by communicating through emails and SMSs. If they fail to update their nominees by January 1st, their accounts will be frozen, updated SEBI. Now let's talk about India's real estate updates. It is not a stock specific news, but it covers entire real estate sector. Housing sales rise by 36% in Q1 of 2023 from July to September. July, August, September. Homes priced between 40 to 80 lakhs This is the mid-range segment. They alone contributed 28% share of total new homes supply. In top 7 cities across India, 1,20,000 homes were sold, which was 89,000 in previous year. We have even spoken about different real estate players selling record homes. With all this data, the real estate sector is looking very bullish. So this is today's news video. Thank you for watching it.